Hello friends, today we will continue our previous year question series. In the previous video we will discuss the first 5 questions, and today I will discuss about the question number 6. Question number 6. The question number 6 is a zinc rod is placed in 0.1 molar solution of zinc sulfate at 25 degrees Celsius, assuming that the salt is dissociated to the extent of 95% at this dilution. The potential of the electrode at this temperature will be, and the options are given. So what you need to do initially, we have to do that. Here the question is all about a half cell reaction. Since only zinc rod is mentioned here, and the zinc rod is dissociated up to 95%. So what you need to do is that first of all you think about that what type of equation we will use in this question. So first question is the basic the basic formula used in electrochemistry is that when both of the in a full cell reaction, when both reduction potential is given, we use E cell is equal to E cathode E cathode E cathode E cathode minus E anode. We use when both full cell reaction is given. Since in this question only a half cell is given, this is a zinc electrode only, so we must apply Nernst equation only, then only we find the answer. So write the so when you apply Nernst equation, what will you get? E zinc plus 2 basically zinc is equal to standard of zinc plus 2 and zinc minus of 0.0591 divided by 2. Since zinc take 2 electron, reduction of zinc to log of 1 by zinc plus 2. Okay, concentration of zinc plus 2. So we don't know what the concentration of zinc plus 2 after dissolving into the solution. Here the question gives some information about zinc plus 2 concentration is that it will dissociate extend to 95% at this dilution. So since initial concentration is 0.1 molar concentration, and what will be the final? So final zinc plus 2 concentration is 0.1 molar, 95% of 0.1 molar. So 95 divided by 100, I will get 0.095 molar. Okay, so this is all about the value required to solve the question. Here standard zinc electrode is given, just we need to put here, and zinc plus 2 concentration you will find 95% of the solution, concentration of the initial concentration. So we will put this value here, and then we solve this question. We will find the zinc plus 2 zinc electrode potential of the electrode at this temperature, that means 25 degrees Celsius. And one more important thing, that 0.059 divided by 0.059, it is a term when 25 degrees Celsius is given, that is room temperature, otherwise this formula will not work. Okay, so we have to put the values, and we will finally got the answers. So zinc E zinc plus 2 zinc is equal to standard electrode potential of zinc minus 0.76 6 volt minus 0.0591 divided by 2, since number of electron is 2. Okay, I will add the equation as well. Zinc sulfate, since zinc sulfate solution is given, zinc sulfate which will give rise to zinc plus 2 plus SO4 2 minus, and zinc will lose 2 electron, that is 2 electron here. This is n is equal to 2 electron. Okay, now log of 1 by zinc plus 2 concentration after dissociation, so 0.095 molar. Okay, when you solve all these values in your simple calculation, so we will reach the final answer minus of 0.79 volt, which is the final answer, which is option C is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer. Here question number 6 is solved. I think we will make a single video per question, so that it will be easier to understand, not lengthy to watch the video, since it is a paper on board mode answer. It will, I think it will lengthy. So if it is lengthy, it will not a good idea to watch this type of video. So I will make as short as I can, one video or one question. Okay, thank you very much for watching. If you find any helpful, then subscribe our channel and give the like button, click the like buttons. Thank you very much.